Hello my lovely ravens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today I have another flip through of a journal for you all. I have been working on this one over the last 2 months. I think I started in November. It's today the 31st of December and it's finished. I have been working on it in between. I had a few live streams and all that on my main channel. So this was a commission. This is one of the last commissions that I'm gonna do for a while, mainly because of time. And it's just gonna be whatever is available will be available in my shop. So let's do a flip through. So this cover is paper ephemera with a metal key lock thing and keyhole and the fabric. This is fabric. And then there's a piece of lace here. It's got metal corners. It's got a big chunky piece of lace here that wraps around like that. And then there's another piece of lace there. And this is all fabric. Then there is a massive spine dangle. This spine is rather big too. It's about 3 inches. Yep, a little bit bigger even. And then we have this removable spine dangle. It has various lace, a key, a tassel, some skull beads, a bell, and some starry silk, some ribbon. And the receiver of this journal can remove this and even hang it on her keys or bag or whatever really. So when we then look inside the journal, it's held together with a lace ribbon, like so. And this is the inside. Now she asked me if I could put this fabric, I let her choose the fabric. She wanted this on the cover, but she did like this one as well, and if I could include it on the inside of the journal. And I said yes to that. So I made a little pocket here, or flip open pocket. It's got a little silver leaf on it. Flips open like that. And then it has some ephemera in the pockets. I won't take all the ephemera out to let it be a little bit of a surprise for her. But yeah, there's a little pocket there with some ephemera. Let's close the pocket again. Then here we have, I do this on most of my journals, a seal, wax seal with some ribbon, some lace here. This is from an envelope, as you can see. This is just a flip page, let's say. You can put a photo on there or you can write on it. I know that she is mainly going to put photos in here, so there's not too much, not as much writing space as normally in my journals, but there is still plenty of it. So there's some tags here as well. And you know what? If you're gonna use a journal like this for photos, you can also put images on the front here or at the back. It can just be small photos. The journal actually lies flat, but I don't want to reveal the back yet. I will show you in a minute. This is the baking paper that I use to dye these papers. And these papers as well, the colored pages, they're dyed as well, tea and coffee dyed. See that brown? That's the coffee and tea dye. The middle page, which is a bat skeleton. Some ephemera here, and these are paper clips with just an image on them. And here we have another pocket. Here. There's some ephemera in there. And then just a flip open, which was an envelope. All the pages, the front and the back pages are sewn together like that. This is the second signature. This is again made from an envelope. There's a pocket there and it flips open. More ephemera and another paper clip. There's a pocket with ephemera again. And the other side of that envelope. And the sewn page. And lace. There's lots of lace in this journal. Then here we have a bookmark, which you can place anywhere. I just put it in the middle of, in between the two signatures. Here's more ephemera. Part of an envelope. The middle page. Here's more ephemera in here, and then there's another pocket here which has more ephemera in there. More ephemera and a massive piece of lace on this card. And the paper clip again. Some more lace at the end of this signature. And then we get to the last signature. And this envelope, I'll show you in here. I had some leftovers. Well, they're not necessarily leftovers. I normally put some ephemera pieces in the journals that I make. So all the bits that I cut out and didn't use, but she can probably use with some photos that she's gonna put in here, you know, overlapping. She can just go in here and adhere to the theme of this journal. So they are in this stitched together envelope. Another envelope here with two pockets. So there's one pocket here and there's another pocket here. A pocket with ephemera. This is one of those envelope parts, but I made it into a little pocket and put a little booklet in there. And the last page. That's the end of this journal, but this journal is special. As you can see, there is a part here, which is basically a hidden potion bottle compartment. So if I open it like this, and then flip this part out, you can see that there's loads of ephemera here, and this is a hidden potion compartment. So there's two scrolls. There's nothing on the scrolls. I just burned the edges and put the ribbon in. So the ribbon is attached to the journal, but you can just undo it and then write on it whatever you want, like a secret little note. And then in here are 4 potion bottles that you can take out. So she specifically asked for this, and there might be some more journals that I'll be making in the future that have this as well, because it's a fun thing to include in a journal. So I've covered this with fabric, and on the inside there is paper that's the same as this background paper. I just made this a little bit green because she loves green. And inside here is manila file. So there's a manila folder, and I scored 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so it curves around the side there. And this is that same paper again. So there we have it, a hidden potion bottle journal. And if she wants to write or put anything in this journal, if you have it like this, obviously this is all packaged up. But if you flip this out, the journal still lies entirely flat. So there we have it. I hope you like this flip through, and I really enjoyed working on this journal, so perhaps in the future I might make a few more of these hidden compartment journals. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.